Fans of Last Man Standing rejoice. The premiere episode of the revival of the comedy starring Tim Allen has been released on Twitter ahead of its linear Season 7 debut on Fox on September 28.
The official Last Man Standing announced the early release of the Season 7 premiere on Twitter, saying, "Even though Last Man Standing has come to an end, we want to say thank you to all of our loyal fans by releasing the premiere episode of #Last Man Standing early." The episode, titled Welcome Baxter, can be watched on Twitter and takes place a year after the events of the Season 6 finale, which aired on ABC.
The episode has Mike, Alan, and Vanessa, Nancy Travis, welcoming Kaitlyn Devers-Eve home from Air Force Academy. Meanwhile, Ryan, Jordan Masterson, comes up with a drastic solution to curb his political anxiety. The revival also marks the introduction of Molly McCook, Good Trouble, as middle daughter Mandy, and Jet Juergensmeyer, Will and Grace, as the grandson Boyd. The duo replaced original cast members Molly Ephraim and Flynn Morrison, who played Mandy and Boyd during the series run on ABC.
Amanda Fuller, Jonathan Adams, Christoph Sanders, Jordan Masterson and Hector Elizondo are set to return as series regulars. Follow the link below to watch the episode. https://twitter.com/lastmanstanding/1043711643509710848.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.